Our father is probably dead by now.
Your father is dead.
My father is dead.
Killed by serpents.
Ragnar Lothbrok can't die.
And we will have to avenge him. Father. That is what matters.
Our father was defeated. He lost. Nobody loves him anymore.
Despite all his failings,
Nobody believes in him.
he's still the greatest man in the world to me. We have to avenge our father.
Oh, you must seek revenge.
Is what we are going to do.
That is the message that he wanted me to bring to you. Be ruthless.
I will, Father. We have to revenge Ragnar.
You raise an army. An army bigger than ever before.
He loved me. Watch over my family.
We assemble an army twice the size of the army our father took to Paris. Father, in the name of Ragnar Lothbrok, we declare war on the whole world.
This will be the largest army we have ever sent out.
This is... It's your legs, Ivar. It's your wings.
But I am the leader of this great army.
Do you want to win?
And you will obey me! And if you do so, my brother, revenge for our father will be ours.
About to receive a great heathen army. They've landed on the coast.
Let us go to war.
I'm not sure you realize the scale of their possible retribution.
We are fully prepared.
God help us.
This is the time of war. This is the time to hate.